What's up YouTube? This is Landon coming at you from Squeeze TV with a little bit of a heartbreaker today. My good friends Matt and Angela have moved down to Arizona, and this was going to be our third and final trip down, but things didn't go as expected. Halfway down, we stopped to get gas. I noticed water dripping from my engine. Never a good sign. I realized that I didn't have any coolant in the car, and we had just driven through freezing temperatures. As you would expect, the engine cracked. My trip was done. My trip was done. Before we get too sad, the story does not end there. I had the opportunity to borrow a friend's car. I've never drifted another car except for my own. It was definitely a weird experience. That's all I'll say. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go!
Here comes a new challenger!
I'm not gonna edit a video.
Liftoff.
Perfect.
Did I break anything? Did I break the bumper? Sorry. Hell yeah.
Woo! Dude, getting used to this thing.
What happened to your car?
Entenda, meu bem, não quero lhe ver chorando. Se não tanto vou sofrer. Se não tanto vou sofrer. Já maior a liberdade. Preconceito chega ao fim. Eu sou negro de verdade. Ninguém zomba mais de mim.
Wanna be on my TV show?
Você é toda a minha vida. Desde que eu lhe conheci. Por isso, meu bem, não chore.